Hello! Welcome to ABC in Zambian Languages. Today, you will learn about some colors in Cinyanja. Are you ready? Colors in Cinyanja.
Mitundu. Mitundu.
Red. Red.
Ofira. Ofira.
Green. Green.
Mutsipu. Mutsipu.
Blue. Blue.
Kamtambo. Kamtambo.
Yellow. Yellow.
Chikasu. Chikasu.
Orange. Orange.
Ndimwi. Ndimwi.
Black. Black.
Wokuda. Wokuda.
White. White.
Woyela. Woyela.
You just learned about colors in Cinyanja. Let's keep learning together. Don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ABC in Zambian Languages. Goodbye.